The energy is used every day in car by the thermal energy, in light by electricity energy. It's possible to obtain these different energies by different products, but the principal source is fossil fuel, like coal, oil, gas. The efficiency to transform fossil fuel in energy is very high, and it's so easy. However, when we burn fossil fuel, this process releases fine particles which are hazardous for human people and for animals, and releases also compounds which pollute environment. That's why decrease this use of fossil fuel is necessary to find an alternative, and this alternative is called renewable energy, and the aim consists in produce clean energy while generating the less possible of pollution. Bordeaux is a French city located in Nouvelle-Aquitaine. Bordeaux is situated in an area where the sun can be transformed in energy by solar panels. So, Nouvelle-Aquitaine is the first region of France which produces solar energy. But the wind is not strong enough to be transformed in electricity by wind turbine. Before 2050, Bordeaux wants to use 100% of renewable energy. But today, the region uses only 10% of renewable energy. In order to make a success of this aim, it's necessary to remove the fossil fuel. Indeed, the nuclear energy can produce energy without pollution. This stream is just heating water. Nevertheless, after the utilization of uranium, we obtain radioactive waste which are dangerous. Moreover, this accumulation of radioactive waste is a real problem for the environment. Nouvelle-Aquitaine uses 83.2% of this electricity.
Bordeaux is crossed by the Garonne, and we could use the torrent of this river with hydraulic turbine. Currently, the part of hydraulic production is only 5.5% in this area. Maybe by increasing the number of hydraulic turbines, this part could increase. An hydraulic turbine creates electricity using water flow. It's the same idea than for a wind turbine, but instead of wind, it uses water flow. It turns a turbine which creates mechanical energy, which is converted in electricity. This system has many qualities. First, it has an infinite potential because it only uses the water flow of a river, and it's almost independent of weather. Moreover, it doesn't pollute, and it has a very low impact on its ecosystem. Hydraulic turbine has also a low impact on its ecosystem in terms of sound impact and visual impact. Hydraulic turbine has also a lower impact on fauna than dams. Another advantage of this system is the proximity between the production and consumption of electricity. A prototype has been installed in Bordeaux under the Stone Bridge in March 2018. The system is composed by 4 turbines for a power of 80 kilowatts. With this system, it can provide about 100 homes. Tests will last 1 year, so it's not currently finished, but it seems to be a really good way to create clean energy in Bordeaux by increasing the number of hydraulic turbines.
What are the main sources of greenhouse gas?
In 2015, 75% of greenhouse gas in Nouvelle-Aquitaine had a link with the energy consumption of the private individuals, mainly due to oil and wood.
How does France's production of renewable energy compare to Europe?
According to World Classification, France is one of the most prepared countries in Europe about renewable energy transition after Sweden and Finland. What is the part of renewable energy in France?
In 2016, the production of electricity had a percentage of 18% in France. The principal source is hydroelectricity and the biomass. However, the solar and wind energy are far behind. In Nouvelle-Aquitaine, we are lucky enough to have the land wood to produce energy.
To conclude, Bordeaux wants to have 100% of electricity production from renewables since 2050. It seems to be possible if Bordeaux develops solutions like solar panel, but also invest in a new solution like the hydraulic turbine.